Hey, are you ready to enjoy smooth air travel? Here is my journey from Mopa, Goa Airport to SVPI Airport, Ahmedabad. There are few things that we should keep in mind while we are traveling by air, and that would help us ensuring that our travel is seamless and smooth. Save time with Digi Yatra for quick and easy entry at airport. Just scan and go. Ensure you have loaded your boarding pass in your Digi Yatra app. If you have not installed your Digi Yatra, you should try it. It will help you skip long queues and your interaction with security team would reduce. Eventually, it will help in seamless entry into the airport terminal. You can see it yourself. टाइम सर आई गया ना 11 आ गया ना एस्टिमेट है तो आ गया ना तो पहुंच Before heading to check-in counter, ensure your checked-in bag is within weight limits. Avoid packing electronics or restricted items in your checked-in bag to prevent delays or unnecessary complications. Either show your ID card with your boarding pass or you can very well show your Digi Yatra app at the check-in counter. After checking, head to security check. Follow all security check guidelines for smooth process. If you are traveling with multiple gadgets or electronics, arrive early to avoid unnecessary stress because you will have to take them out of your bag and put it in a tray so that security team can check your gadgets. Once through security, take some time to enjoy the fantastic shopping and food options at the airport, also decor, and you can relax and wait for your boarding. Again, Digi Yatra makes boarding a breeze. Just scan your code and you are ready to go. On arrival, check and cross-check your baggage belt and patiently wait for your bag. Ahmedabad airports provides trolleys conveniently placed at the belt area to make your luggage handling easier. Booking an Uber or other cab is easy, and if you face an issue, help counters are available to assist you. Catch your cab from the designated spot and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.